CJ Pony Parts is located in Pennsylvania, and the governor here recently declared a state of emergency due to the coronavirus. CJ's is not closed. What that means, though, is we're not going to be able to bring you as much content as we normally would from the video department. What we're going to do instead is show you some of our favorite videos we've done over the years.
Hi, I'm Bill from CJ Pony Parts. If you're a subscriber to our YouTube channel, you're probably familiar with this car, but if you're new, this is the forgotten Fastback, a 65 Mustang Fastback we pulled out of our salvage yard with the intent of doing a full restoration. With the 2015 Mustang coming down the road and several other projects in the pipeline, the forgotten Fastback was actually once again forgotten. We even put this car for sale for a short time. This year's trip to SEMA kind of changed all that and renewed our interest in finishing this car off. The Mustang is celebrating its 50th anniversary, and 2015 is going to mark 30 years of CJ Pony Parts. That's right, for over half the life of the Mustang, CJ's has been your go-to place for all of your Mustang needs. We feel that both these milestones have to be celebrated properly by building a one-of-a-kind custom show car. So we're going to take our forgotten Fastback, we're going to build into a 2014 SEMA show car known as Project 5030. With our plan of displaying this car at the 2014 SEMA show and hoping to get an invite to the Optima Street Car Invitational, the car is going to have to perform as good as it looks. In our opinion, performance starts under the hood. We're big fans of push rods. For this build, we can't think of a better choice than Ford Racing's Coyote crate engine. These engines make 412 horsepower right off the crate. By the time we're done with it, it's going to make a heck of a lot more than that. To build a custom car like this with the time frame we have is going to require a team of people to get it done. We have the guys from CJ Service helping us out, as well as people from our warehouse, sales department, marketing, even the managers and owner want to get involved in this build. Josh from Product Development is going to be my right-hand man for this project. He's going to tell us about some of the vendors that are helping us out with Project 5030.
Obviously, Bill already told you about that Coyote swap. We're already going to start with the heart of this build. Along with that is going to be countless other vendors that we deal with. They're going to be adding products to this build, including TMI products, Classic Instruments, Rytec air suspension, Rod and Custom front suspension, along with countless other companies that we carry. And just keep posted to see what we add.
With Josh's help, our vendors' help, and our employees' help, we're going to take this shell in less than a year. We're going to build a custom car for SEMA 2014. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates on Project 5030.